Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Photopea as a beginner. So here you can see I'm on photopea.com. So Photopea is a free online photo editor that can actually help you to edit and create a perfect and creative designs for you and your client, or for any daily niche or anyone else. So you can create different types of designs. You can create logos, you can remove objects from an image, you can move object from an image, you can add 3D logos, you can make logos from here, you can do anything like Photoshop. So from here I'm going to start using Photopea by simply click on the button here. Now here you can see it has just added. So here you can find that the dashboard here. So where you can find home, this device. So let me explain from this header navigation section, like the file. So where if you click on it, you can find the new. So that means you can use or open a new file, or here's the open button. That means you can open existed file here. Then here is share, save. You can save edit here, a photo here, then save as psg if you want. So you can actually create psg file with this Photopea. So let me actually create a new project here. So click on new project here, and I'm going to use anything like portrait. So instead of portrait actually, so I'm going to add it. So here is a new project. Name it, like I'm going to name it. You don't have to download any application, anything from this. You just need to have a good internet connection to edit photos on, or edit anything, graphics on this platform. Now from here you can select the size and width from here in pixels. You can set the pixels here. So I'm actually going with this template. Now simply click on create button here, and here is the dashboard. You can see the canvas, so where you can find this dashboard accurately like the Photoshop. So here is the file where you can find something like you can add anything if you want. So you can simply click on open. Also you can add something, add a design here. So I'm going to add a design first. So for example, I'm going to add this design here. So this here you can see it has just added it to that as that section here. So here you can see file, so we can open it, or you can save that file after editing. We can save it as a psg file, so it can load all of this editing and history here. Then save more here. You can find print option or export option. You can export it to your file manager by png or jpg, webp or pdf, say svg, gif, mp4 and more. Also there's more format here you can do. And here's the edit, where you can find some edit option, like you can undo, redo, and step for it's different types of options you can actually use, like ascent profile, or also you can go with the free transformation if you want. So here is the copy and paste that actually you can do with the keyboard shortcut. So here is the image where you can give adjustments, so you can adjust the image. So here where you can adjust the brightness and contrast, the labels, curves, exposure, vibrance, saturations, color balance, white, black and white, photo filter, color mixer, channel mixer actually, the color lookup, invert, and posterize, the threshold, gradient map, and selective color. And selective color is one of the creative tools that you can use like this. If you want to get it like red, and simply you can select the red color of here, so make it this. So you can change that color from here. Simply click on OK. So from here you can find that image here. So let me explain the dashboard here, or also the select here. So you can remove the bg here from here. So color range, you can remove the bg from color range, the magic cut, also the subject actually. So you can simply click on subject, and here you can see it has just created, select the subject here. So you can delete any subject from here. Here you can see I have just removed that subject, so I can do it. And from here you can find the subject here. Also you can remove the background here. Simply click on it, and it's not accurate because that that background is actually messed up. And from here you can find filters, so you can add some filters from here if you want. So and here's view, you can zoom in or zoom out, you can pixel to pixel, and pattern preview, you can go with all of this from here. Or also you can see the guide here, so you can see the good look guide. Then the window where you can add something like if you want. So in this section, the as a shortcut. Now it is actually the selective tool that you can select, and here is the crop tool. So you can actually crop this section here. So just like this, you can select a section here. So just like this, you can select it. Let me show you the control, and let me that's actually pretty much annoying thing actually. So that's how you can just do it. So I'm going to add it. So you can just go with this, and for control you can simply press control, and when you are on that, and you press control, and that could be like this, just like this. You can select it, and just like this you can select it, or this is for actually the rectangle select, and this for this is actually where you can actually deselect, or you can go with it. And here is the crop, where you can crop, you can just input colors. So this is actually for colors, or you can simply right click on it, and you can find all of this like eyedropper, color sampler, ruler, and this is actually a healer, where you can heal the background spot where it's missing. And this is the brush tool, where you can use the brush tools for painting anything, or you can add colors. This is the pencil tool, and this brush tool actually used for the shadow. So just like this, you can add the shadows. This it's a solid, different types of solid color here. So you can change it the brush tools here. So you can change it by this simply this adjust button here, where you can add width and height here, and you can add the mask here. So simply keep aspect ratio, and you can add the mask if you want. So here's the brush highlight, so you can use that. So for example, I want to use this color here, and the color, let me show you. Here is the color, so I want color that actually match with that, so we are going to get that color from here. So just light color here. So here it is now. Okay, so okay, and we are going to use that color from here. So just like this, we are going to use that color. So that's how you can actually do it. So I'm not good at design, but I know a little bit about this Photopea. So I'm going to help you how actually know about this features. So this is actually the stamp button here. So currently you can actually go with this. So where you can see actually characters here. So you can actually make anything. It's actually cloner, and here is the eraser, and you can set the transparency from here, and the color drop, and the magic tool, where actually you can dodge the tool, burn the tool, and sponge the tool. And this is for text, where you can add some text here, and this is the pen icon here, where you can use the pen to like this, select like this. The pen tool, this is much attractive thing actually. So this how that's how you can actually select the object here. So that's the pretty much all thing about Photopea. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.